Hello students, now in this session I will explain sum number 1 of question number 7 of exercise 8.3. Now in sum number 1 we have a chalk contains calcium, carbon and oxygen. Fine, suppose this is a piece of chalk. Okay, this is a piece of chalk. So now this piece of chalk is a combination of calcium, carbon and oxygen. Okay, so these are the three elements. If you combine this, you get a chalk. Okay, now the ratio of all these elements are given. Fine, so ratio, we'll write it down. Ratio of calcium, comma, carbon and oxygen is what? 10 is to 3 is to 12. That is, what is the calcium ratio? 10. What is the ratio of carbon? 3. And what is the ratio of oxygen? 12. Now they have asked, find the percentage of carbon in the chalk. So we have to first find the sum of the ratio. Okay, we have to first find the sum of the ratio. Answer is 25. Okay, the sum of the ratio is 10 plus 3 plus 12, that is equals to 25. Now we have to get the percentage of carbon. So carbon ratio is what? 3. Okay, so percentage of carbon would be equals to ratio of carbon by sum of ratio, that is 25, and we always get the percentage on what? 100. Exactly. So we get the percentage always on 100, so multiply with 100. So 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, 4 threes are 12%. So in this chalk, the percentage of carbon is what? 12%. Okay, so this is a solution of sum number 1. And what about sum number 2? If in a stick of chalk carbon is 3 gram, okay, that is, now we know the percentage of carbon and we also know the amount of carbon also. Okay, now what is the weight of the chalk? Now what is the weight of the chalk? We don't know the weight of the chalk, so we have to get it. So let the weight of the chalk be x. So let the weight of the chalk be x. Okay, now the total weight of a chalk we have considered as x. Now 12% of the total weight of chalk is given 3 gram. Okay, now that is 12% of carbon, or you can say 12% of total weight of a chalk, that is x, is equals to what? 3 gram. This is given, this value is already mentioned in the question. Now we have to get the value of x. Now we have to remove this percentage sign. So what we have to do then? 12 into 1 by 100. I hope you remember. Of means into x is equals to 3 gram. Okay, now if you want to reduce, then you can reduce, no problem with that. 4 3s are 12, 4 25s are 100. So the answer would be 3 into x, 3x by 25. So 3x by 25 is equals to 3 gram. Now we have to take 25 and 3 towards that side so that we can get the value of x. So x would be equals to 3 into 25 will go this side and 3 will come down. Cross multiplication. This. Okay, so these three will be reduced, so x equals to 25 grams. So the total weight of a chalk is what? 25 gram. Understood? So this is the solution of sum number 2. And if you have any problem, please go back to the video and you can watch the solution of sum number 1 also. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you and God bless you all.